Hello and welcome to Nick's Allotment Diary.
The elephant garlic is now ready to be planted out. As you can see, all 6 cloves have now produced decent sized green shoots, and if you look underneath you can see the roots are emerging from the bottom of the tray. So today I'm going to plant them out with the other garlic. So here we have the tray of elephant garlic, and you can see the cloves are splitting from the skin, so they're definitely ready to go in the ground. I'm going to plant them relatively deep so that this is the only bit that pokes out of the soil. So I'm going to plant them in this row here. And as you can see, the roots are very good, starting to spiral round, so they're definitely ready to go in the soil. This is the no dig bed, so it's got the cardboard and the manure, so it should be pretty rich. Plant that, firm the compost round so that the bulb's below the surface. There are 6 of them, so just plant them maybe 8 inches apart. Plant them in line with the rest of the row. They're pretty decent plants, and just a reminder, these were provided by Nick of Nick's Allotment. If you haven't checked out Nick's Allotment channel, just have a look in the description below and I'll give you a link to his channel. So there we go, we have 6 cloves of elephant garlic planted.
Thanks very much for joining me at Nick's Allotment. I'll see you again next time.